This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anna Nicolau. Open house December 13, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Enjoy the beautiful sunsets of South Florida and savor the sweet mangoes right from your own backyard. What else would you want more in your new home? The peaceful canal view adds to the updated new modern kitchen with a brand new microwave and freshly painted and renovated 3-stacked bedroom style home with new floors in each bedroom. The Florida room enclosed can be the sunshine of the rainy days. The spacious driveway can be a convenience while family and friends are visiting. This home has no HOA. It will not last long. Come check it out. Property comes with a home warranty until 2022. The property is being prepared for this weekend's open house. For more information, review the details below.